So, if you take a look at my screen, you'll notice right now it looks quite funky. The colors are all different. I've got a magnifier at the top, and I even have an on screen keyboard. So, sometimes accessibility features can be of great help to students. You do have the option to change screen colors with the contrasting. You can had an on screen keyboard, or you can even have a magnifier added to the screen as well. So, if you need to learn how to turn these on, I'll show you how to do that at the end. But sometimes they get turned on and then they cause a little bit of a panic because even when I sign out of this Chromebook, these accessibility features will still be there. So they're not unique to the student, they're actually unique to the Chromebook. So if you have anything weird like this coming up when you first sign into a Chromebook, go ahead and still sign into the Chromebook like normal. But once you're in the Chromebook under a student account, you'll notice when I tap on my time, I now have a little man here that says, or person that says accessibility. And if I tap accessibility, I can see which accessibility features are turned on and which ones are turned off. So this is actually a quick list of all the ones you have. You have select to speak, there is dictation. I have this high contrast mode, so as I turn it off, you'll notice my screen goes back to normal colors. I have a docked magnifier and a full screen magnifier, which can be great options for students with visual impairments. I have automatic clicks. I have an on screen keyboard, and I can tap that, and you'll notice my keyboard down here has gone away. If I scroll down even further, this is where, if you ever see a student with the large mouse cursor, that's where they're getting it. There's the mono audio, which turns all the audio through all the speakers into the same. The highlight text caret, the highlight mouse cursor, which if you have seen students with a red circle around, that's actually an accessibility feature that you can turn on and off. Highlight object with keyboard focus. So you'll notice that my cursor gets really big and I'm highlighting certain things. I'm going to go back into my accessibility features and turn the docked magnifier off. I'm going to turn the large mouse cursor off, and I'm also going to turn the highlight object. Sticky keys is one that you probably don't want to get yourself into. That can get rather frustrating if you're not sure how to use it. If you, though, need any of these accessibility features for any of your students, once you are logged into Chrome, under that student, you would go to your settings and scroll down. You're going to click Advanced and scroll down a little further. And almost towards the bottom, you're going to find a tool called Accessibility. If this student is using accessibility features all the time, you might want to toggle this on so that it always shows up here so that they can easily turn them on and off. If a student does not need those features though, you'd want to leave that toggled off. And then under here, you can manage and turn on and off the features individually. You also have type or speaking, voice typing available in Google Docs, Sheets, Slides. I haven't checked Forms, but that will allow students to speak and it will type whatever they are saying, provided that it is clear enough. So that is another accessibility feature available within some of the programs.